Two, we have subset and superset. Before I go into subset, I will first of all like to define the universal set. A universal set is said to be a collection of all the elements under consideration. For example, we may refer to Nigeria or a country as a universal set, whereby it has all its citizens under consideration or its landmark under consideration, while a subset is said to be a fraction or a part of a universal set. If A is said to be a universal set, subset of A can include, let's call it a set B, which is a subset of A, can be made up of all even numbers, where you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, down to infinity. So B is said to be a subset of A because all the elements in B can be found in A, whereas not all the elements in A can be found in B. If I'm to do this using a Venn diagram, I may represent this as a universal set. Let's call this set A, while set B can be this, whereby if we have, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, and this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on and so forth. So you discover that in as much as all the sets are in A, but not all the sets in A are in B. So we refer to set A as a universal set and set B as a subset.